Before the world stirs, there's a quiet promise made by the pre-dawn sky, a promise of renewal and endless possibilities. John Steinbeck once reflected on the nature of light and darkness. He said, "It's so much darker when a light goes out than it would have been if it had never shone. As the sun edges over the horizon, its light feels all the more precious." Victor Hugo inspired us with the image of a bird that sings even as it falls, knowing it has wings to soar. Each sunrise gives us that same courage to sing, despite our uncertainties. Albert Hubbard understood the sun's impartial generosity, illuminating everything it touches. The sun does not shine for a few trees and flowers, but for the wide world's joy. Emily Dickinson's words resonate in these quiet woods. Not knowing when the dawn will come, I open every door. Each morning, nature anticipates the light with open arms, embracing the unknown with grace. Roman Paine spoke of the sunlight as the most precious gold found on earth. Watching it scatter across the ocean, it's easy to believe that the truest gold is not buried in mines, but glimmers on the water's surface at dawn. Mary Balogh reminds us, morning without you is a dwindled dawn. Together, witnessing the sunrise, our day brightens with shared joy and renewed hope. As the sun climbs higher, let Rabindranath Tagore's words echo within us. This beauty does not need our gaze to exist, but offers itself freely, a gift to all who take a moment to look. As today's sun reaches its peak, let its light remind you of Joe Walton's wisdom. Don't miss the free spectacles of sunrise and sunset. Embrace the light. Let it fill you with hope and carry that joy forward. As you watch the sun claim the sky, let its persistence inspire you. Every sunrise is an invitation to reset, to renew, and to rejoice in the dance of light that starts yet another day.